Hey everyone, this is Izzy. Today's video is all about creating this one-stroke flower. I will also be showing you how to soften the colors of any one-stroke cake. Let's get to it. I'll be using the following products. If you don't have a short angle brush, you can also use a regular flat brush. To create a petal, place your brush slightly at an angle, swipe up by making a small wave ending on a point, and bring your brush back down by slightly twisting it and ending where you began your stroke. Fill in any empty space with the edge of your brush. You can also create this design with round petals. Create the flower with as many petals as you would like. Depending on how much space I have, I usually go for 5 or 6. To make the leaves, you can either switch to another one-stroke cake or just flip your brush to reverse the colors as I'm doing here. The stroke for the leaves is similar to the petal one, but instead I make the tip longer. I like to place the leaves in between petals. To make the wisps, place your brush straight down and lightly tap it to create the lines. This technique is also great for making feathers. The white outlines are simply long teardrops that begin at the tip of the petals and leaves and follow the shape of the strokes down to the center, ending on a thin line. Now that you know all of the strokes, let's put them together and create this design. If you want to soften the colors of a one-stroke cake, all you have to do is first load your brush with white and then swipe it in the one-stroke cake. Add some water if needed and swipe as many times as you would like. I don't load my brush with the one-stroke cake first, just because I find it harder to clean out the white paint than it is to clean the one-stroke cake. This design is one of my favorite ones to do at large events, just because it's quick and easy to paint once you have all of the strokes down. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!